Ablynx is a biotherapeutic company, so we use a nanobody platform technology which we are able to use to develop a range of products against infectious disease, cancer, inflammation. So it's a very, very powerful technology that's the basis of our company. Nanobody technology was discovered originally in the 1990s here in Belgium by Professor Hamers. What he found was that in certain animals, camels and llamas being examples, they not only produce normal antibodies, but much smaller antibodies, which we call nanobodies. And he made that observation and realized that they could be used as potential drugs in the future. 10 years on, we have nearly 300 people in the company. We have 25 programs in development, and here we're based in a fantastic 8,000 square meter bioaccelerator building, which is the perfect space for us to develop the company for the future. I think all technology platform companies start with a number of years when they're exploring their actual technology, figuring out what their nanobodies can do, how they can make them, and how they can apply them into drug technology. As we develop that, though, the real test for a platform is what products you can make from it. And when you consider that to develop a new drug, it might cost $500 million, you can see that access to capital is critical, and therefore you have to access the capital from the large public markets, both in Europe and the United States. Going public in 2007, when we first raised 85 million euros, allowed us to begin to access that capital. About 200 million has come from equity, private and public, and about 120 million actually has come from our partners. So we have generated well over 300 million. Now going forward, we constantly have that continued choice. Do we wish to get cash from our partners, or do we wish to get cash from the public markets? So we have tried to develop Ablynx very much with a company that has choice from both technical and financial aspects. When the company was initially formed by the VIB back in 2001, it was critical that we got an investor, a venture capital investor from the local region, from Belgium, who understood the local markets, but who could also then eventually form an international network of venture capitalists. Gimv is not working to the same timelines as that, so it does not have a specific period by which it has to pay back money that it has invested back to its investors. The advantage for the company is that it's not under particular pressure to deliver results by a certain date. And for the long time frame of a biotechnology company like Ablynx, this is actually perfect. So to have the cornerstone investor be patient and not be under any pressure itself to realize its cash is a huge advantage.